Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do your makeup with all this really nice and cool makeup that I showed you guys in the previous video that my mom sent you. Thank you, mommy. So let's start with this Master Prime from Maybelline. Just gonna try this on my face. I have been waiting so long for this package to come. Finally it got here, and when it got here I was so happy that I didn't open it up. I just wanted to open it and share it all with you guys. Okay, so we got this on my face. It's really nice, smooth and hydrating. Okay, now I'm going to use the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. In a tube, squirt some on my hand, and I'm going to use one of the super okay, this isn't really full coverage, it's sheer, but you can build it up. I'm just going to squirt this here, and here, squiggly lines. There. Boop. Okay, now I'm going to blend in the rest with my beauty blender. So this is the final look. It has a nice dewy finish. I think it looks nice. Now we're going to take the Essence Concealer. Oh, I like the doe foot. Picks up a lot of product. Concealer is nice. It's nice and creamy. It's not drying out really fast, and it's giving me nice coverage. Okay, I'm going to need to look in the mirror now. And I'm going to take one of my small blenders for this. Starting from the bottom and working our way up. Looks good so far. Okay, I'm going to do some contour now with that LA Pro. Take a different blender. Okay, now I'm gonna bake using the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to use that same wet applicator. I'm just gonna bake. Prevent any creasing. This is a nice powder. It's really nice and soft. It's nice. middle of our forehead, wherever we applied concealer, we're going to bake over there. And on the rest of my face, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics by Pores. Oh, this is cute. It has a itty bitty little sponge. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna dust this off after. This is translucent, so it isn't gonna give me a white cast. Let's put this back. And I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and I have put concealer on my eyelids. I brushed off all the bake, and I bronzed. Okay, now I'm going to use the Back to Brazil palette, and this is a really nice colorful palette. And I'm going to take this red shade over here and just pack it in my crease. Wow, this is really pigmented. A little goes a long way. Just packing this a little bit higher than the crease, and then I'm going to blend it in with a different brush. I'm now going to take this orange shade and blend it with the red color. I'm just going to pack it, and then we're going to blend it in. I'm now going to take this yellow shade and blend it with the orange and red. Pack it on first. It's okay if you take it up to the brow bone. These colors are really pigmented. I'm having no fallout whatsoever, and these brushes are amazing. I'm now gonna cut the crease with some concealer. I'm going to take it a little higher because I have very hooded eyes. So cut your crease according to your eye shape. Okay, I've cut my crease, and now I'm going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. And I'm going to, for the lid, I'm going to take this yellow, and then we're going to go with the blue, and then this purple. Sometimes it's better to use your finger. Now we're going to take the blue shade. and that purple. Now I'm just gonna blend them together. We don't want any harsh lines. Take a little bit more of the yellow and just blend it in with the blue. You want to combine all the colors. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back with the palette that I used before, and I'm going to take this pink shade. I'm going to take that orange shade again. Now, of course, guys, this isn't an everyday look. I just felt like doing something nice and colorful. I mean, my mother, she does so much for me. I mean, I just told her that, you know, I want makeup, and she just like right that day she went shopping and she bought me so many things, and I just can't wait to try all of them out. Now for the inner corners, I want to try out this. It's so nice and sparkly. I want to see how this looks. So let's try that in the inner corners. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to take that a little bit down on my lower lash, just a little bit. This is so nice. I mean, I'm in love with this color. Look at that. It has like a blue, green, purplish kind of undertone. I mean, this is amazing. I'm going to take some of that also on my brow bone. I'm now going to use my Miss Rose liner. बस कटेगा ये. Now I'm going to use this white pencil for my waterline. Okay guys, this is one eye totally complete, and I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I'm going to put mascara and lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, my eyes are done. I have my lashes on. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. I mean, I am in love with this palette. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to use this Essence blush. See that? I'm going to mix it all around. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Milani highlighter. Okay, I'm thinking to go with this first shade. I like to pat highlighter on with my fingers. Shows better. See? There it is. The lighting isn't very great. You can't see it, but it's there. A little bit on my cupid's bow, chin. Okay, so which one? Okay, my eyes are really bold, so I think this will be a good shade. So I'm going to outline my lips first. This was the shade Self-Starter. Stofle it. Okay, now this is really good. I did not have to dunk into it again. It's doe-foot, it picks up a lot of product. So, I really recommend you guys try this out. We're gonna top it off with some Clazona gloss. And now, let's set it. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. All of the products, everything that I looked, from the palette, to the lipsticks, the highlighters, the mascara, everything is just, phenomenal. I mean, just look at these pigments. I mean, too bad I don't have to go anywhere. I'm just gonna, walk around the house and just look pretty. But yeah, Mom, thank you a lot. Thank you so much for helping me out and for sending me all of this makeup. I mean, I'm just so excited to make more videos and to use all this stuff. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos and more makeup tutorials from me, okay? And please let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, what kind of looks you want to see. Just let me know in the comments, and the one who gets the most votes, I'll do that look next time, okay? So bye guys, see you in the next one.